smoothie in this cup. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is February 28th. I am doing like a little monthly reset. So we're just gonna do all kinds of stuff today. Like we're gonna wash bed sheets, some clothes, clean a little bit here and there. So that way we can start the month right. Okay, I'm gonna start my calendar stuff, planning stuff while I finish my smoothie. I don't really like, I bought in planners but I never finished them. Like I don't know what it is, but I never finished them. And then I bought this one last year, but I didn't realize that it was like a type of planner that you have to put like each month and each week, like the numbers and everything. Like you have to, it doesn't like already come with the yearly planner. It's just something that you have to kind of do. So that kind of unmotivated me last year to not do this. But what I did do was I grabbed a calendar because it's just easier. I feel like with a planner there's just so many pages that you have to fill out, and with this one it's just like the regular calendar. And I was inspired by my husband because he does do this. Like ever since I met him, he always gets a calendar and he just tracks his spending, controls his money more. So I started it this year, and I'm kind of, when I did the math of everything, I was like, what the heck, I'm spending $200 eating out. I need to stop. So I did that for January, and then February I did more because I kind of got the hang of it more. And then now we're on to March tomorrow, so I'm gonna start kind of filling this up a little bit. I normally don't, I just fill it up as I go through the day. My birthday is in March, so I'm excited. Highlighters have really helped me kind of keep track of everything. And then also I have like this little sticky paper things. I was using them when I was like reading a lot, just to kind of like take notes of the books that I was reading. I don't know why I was doing that, but I've been using them to kind of do like the green one is bills, the blue one is like eating out, the pink one I'll use for like what I spend during groceries. And then I added the orange one because my husband was using the orange one, but I was like, let me just use it too. So this is gonna be like anything that I spend, like shopping or any expenses that I do. I have this from like an older planner, and it's just like little sticky notes. So I'll probably use them for this calendar, who knows. And then also I have other stickers. I have like payday or bill due, vacation, whatever. I'm not gonna use all of them because it's not an actual planner, but I think I'll use those. And then also I have like this planner sticker book, and then it just has like the dates, like eating out. So maybe if I'll add them here, it'll be like fun. I don't know, I just thought, I always thought that planning, like having a planner was fun. I haven't bought one this year because I figured I'll just use this one for this year hopefully. And then I don't know if I'll start this one because I don't want to, this was like $7 at Walmart last year and I didn't use it, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use these sticky notes, and luckily it's like all the colors of the highlighters that I have.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking.
So this is just something to kind of just help me do the math after. I'll just look for the colors and add those colors. So right now, since it's the ending of February, I'm just gonna add everything and see how much I spent.
Her safe space. She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel feel better, then that's where she'll go.
So now I'm gonna try and finish this smoothie and then we're gonna start cleaning.
Somebody said don't be afraid of loving yourself, cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever, wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go.
So it's getting pretty late already, so I want to get started on dinner. I'm gonna try tofu today. I haven't had tofu, I don't believe I have, so I was looking up like some ways to cook it, and I heard that it's better if you like season it or do whatever overnight. I'm just gonna do it for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna add some soyaki sauce. So this already has like sesame oil, teriyaki, and a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna add some cilantro and then some garlic. Leave it for about 30 minutes and then cook. This is kind of weird a little bit. I'm just gonna pretend it's salmon. This is what my husband is unboxing. It says 3 minutes each side, but I'm not sure I can tell if it's cooked or not. So I'm pretty sure it's been 3 minutes on each side. Okay, we're gonna try this. I think I put the seaweed, I cut the seaweed too big. So it's not bad. I actually like it. Like I would eat it again. So if you're vegan or whatever, then it's actually pretty good.